Hey there, tech aficionados! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something that's sure to elevate your storage game: the SSK aluminum M.2 NVMe SATA SSD Enclosure adapter. If you're looking to supercharge your data transfer speeds and bring new life to your old SSDs, stick around because we're about to dive deep into this compact powerhouse. Let's start by talking about versatility. The SSK aluminum M.2 NVMe SATA SSD Enclosure adapter is compatible with both NVMe PCIe and SATA M-Key, B+M connectors M.2 SSDs, specifically the 2242, 2260, and 2280 solid-state drives. It's not just a one-trick pony. It's here to support your various SSD needs. Now, let's get to the exciting part: speed. This enclosure features a Type-C interface, and for optimal performance, we recommend using USB-C Gen 2 with speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second or Thunderbolt 3. Picture this: transferring an entire HD movie in just 2 seconds. It's like magic, right? The SSK enclosure is built to last. It boasts an aluminum alloy shell that's not only slim and durable but also excellent at dissipating heat. No more worrying about overheating during those intense data transfers. Plus, it's so compact that you can easily carry it with you wherever you go. You'll love the blue indicator that shows you the data transfer status. It's both easy and clear. Under the hood, this enclosure is powered by the high-performance controller IC chipset RTL9210B. It complies with UASP and trim, ensuring top-notch speed and extending your SSD's lifespan. Installation is a breeze with the included screwdriver, and you won't need any additional tools. The package includes 2 cables, USB-A to C and USB-C to C, making it suitable for all host PC ports. It's plug and play, no hassle required. And guess what? It's compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and even Type-C Android phones. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips. Make sure your SSD is fully inserted for it to work correctly. If you encounter any issues, like your SSD not being recognized, check if it's an M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD, and ensure it's fully seated into the NVMe slot. This unique design has got your back. So, there you have it, the SSK aluminum M.2 NVMe SATA SSD Enclosure adapter. A pocket-sized powerhouse that can breathe new life into your SSDs, supercharge your data transfers, and keep your data secure. Whether you're upgrading your storage or just need a reliable external SSD, this enclosure has you covered. If this review helped you discover the possibilities of the SSK aluminum M.2 NVMe SATA SSD Enclosure adapter, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech insights. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and remember, your data is precious, so choose your storage solutions wisely. Until next time, stay tech savvy.